So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the Instagram suggested content on your Instagram's feed. You can either change it, because if you don't find it convenient for you, or if you don't find it suitable for you, can easily manipulate that. Now in order to do it, just simply open this Instagram on your smartphone and it will look something like this. Now here what you need to do is to just simply for example, let's say this one. Now if you don't want that particular reel to suggest on your feed, either what you can do is just simply tap on the three dots, and here you'll see this option that says not interested or interested. Either you can use that, or just simply click on your profile, click on the three lines on the top right corner. You're in the settings. Now here you'll see this option of content preferences. Just simply tap over there, and here you'll see this option that says reset suggested content, and hit next and hit done. Now here you'll feed will restart.